cars. Okay, here's a bunch of janitrals. Oh, this one just turned on. Kind of sounded like... And that one is buzzing like crap. It sounds... I bet the capacitor is damaged. Can't see the compressor. Yeah, this is not really a good place to film because the cars are very loud, so I'm gonna go to the next place. Yeah, you can hear these better. I think they have rotaries though. And there's more back there, I'm pretty sure. Here's another Goodman. And I'm not sure if you can see that in there, but that one has a Copeland reset. But it's super quiet, I can hardly even hear that compressor. Wow. It doesn't even sound like one. Actually the compressor was coming from, the sound was coming from that one. I can't even hear that compressor. There's all of these too. Let's see. This one has a rotary. None of these are running though. That one has a Tecumseh. Alright, here's some more. I can't see the compressor in that one. We have gotten busted a few times, but nothing too serious. I mean, that happens while filming. Oh wait, I think... It's just annoying where all the cars are. Oh wait, no, it's not running. This has a... Let me get to the other side. Can't see it even from this side. Yeah, I can't see the compressor. Oh, that's even worse. I'm gonna continue this way then. Oh, there's an old Trane. It's running. Not sure how well you can see it behind there. But there's a really old Trane back there. And there are these. Oh wow, there's a lot. One of these is really noisy. Oh, is that one? Here's some. Yeah, this has a Tecumseh. Oh, this has a Copeland. Copeland and Tecumseh. I'm not sure if you can see it. This is an old Trane with the climate off. It's pretty quiet actually. I can't get to the data though, but it sounds amazing. Yeah, there's like a few old Tranes. I want to get a startup of these. I'm not sure when these will start up though. Looks like a Ream or something, a Goodman, and then a Trane, like one of those classic Tranes, XC1000 or something. Oh, it sounds really nice. I bet this also has a climate of reset. Damn, that one is noisy. I can't see the compressor though. Probably a Copeland. Yeah. Wait, I think this one just turned on. Yeah. This one just turned on, but it was really quiet. I'm not sure if you heard it. Which one? Like one of those. It sounded like a Bristol when it turned on. I think I also heard one shutting off just now. And yeah, there's more there. I'm gonna go on the other side. Oh wait, what is this? Comfort range. Like a Nordyne. Oh, it's crackling just like a Goodman bird. Yeah, that's a comfort range. It's like a Nordyne or something. The Goodmans just turned on. Those ones are pretty noisy. Wow, there's some right here. Yeah, I don't think that Linux is running. It looks like that also has a Tecumseh reset. Yeah, all of these. Although there was one with a Copeland, but oh, this one is running. This has a. Wait, what? Oh, that also has a Tecumseh, and it's running. It's so weird. The Janitrals with Tecumsehs are so quiet, but when you put it on a Lennox, it's like louder than most Goodmans. I could hardly even hear that compressor. It's actually running, and the ones with rotaries are louder. Another one here. There's some more over here. Yeah, so like a lot of Goodman black turds, as most people would call them, although they're nowhere near as loud as the Lennox ones. Oh, I can't see the compressor in that. Can't see the compressor in that one either. Try to get the data. What does it say?
2012.
Okay, so this is a 2012. It sounds like they have rotaries. Oh, this one has a recip, I think. Can't see the compressor there. Actually, it could be a scroll, actually. Yeah, this one has a scroll. Oh, that's quiet. Oh, this one is even quieter. Yeah, that has a Copeland scroll. But it's like one of the quietest Goodmans I've ever seen. And it's also really quiet. Oh, yeah. I can't see the compressor on that one. There's more on the other side. Alright. Oh, this one's quiet. Oh, that data. Okay, I'm not gonna read that data. It's too hard to read. This one has a. Wait. That's a scroll compressor. Probably a Copeland scroll. Oh, yeah. You know, it could be a rotary. Or well, I can't see the compressor. Gotta get to the other side. Looks like there's a window right there. Still can't see the compressor. No. 2008 3-ton. Yeah, this one sounds nice. Don't bother getting the data on Goodmans because they're like hard to get. Getting the data on Goodmans is it's scary because then people will think you're like trying to steal it. Like I did that.
How you doing? What are you guys up to?
Oh, I think that has a Copeland scroll. Yeah. I can't really see. Really? What kind of compressor does it have? Can't see that one. Yeah, this is like a Nordyne. Oh, that is a Copeland recip.
Oh, that's gonna be loud.
Yeah, there's a huge Copeland recip. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's another comfort range. And this, oh, nice roll sound. So my battery's low, so this is the end. Yeah.